there she blows. Why don't we ask the ghost ourselves? Let's talk to the ghosts. What more than a better place than an historical train station established in 1883 at the height of the mining and the pioneers is a once in a lifetime. It's Knoxberry Farm without the ticket. This location is 11 acres. 50 historical buildings reside here. General stores, photograph office, seamstress, barbershop, saloon, miner's shack, and the train. Join me, a paranormal investigator. Let's talk to the ghost. Let's find out what they have to say. Let's see if you can talk to the ghost. You want to try? Have you ever wanted to try? Have you ever wanted to try? September 10th at the Laws Museum, right off of Highway 395 in Bishop. You pass by it all the time. Pull over. Come see us. You know who else is going to be here? I'm going to tell you. Smokey the Bear. Smokey the Bear. Who else walked around here? Who else walked around this location? Steve McQueen. That's right. Paramount built a set here and left some of the structure. Join me and let's talk to some ghosts. Be here September 10th. Oh, let's not forget there's going to be a band. There's going to be a pie contest. There's going to be dancing. There's going to be a seesaw. There's going to be a lot.